So today wasn't just any Thursday, huh?
Nope. Expiry day. The monthly market plot twist where traders either celebrate or sob into their spreadsheets.
And Nifty did what Nifty does best lately, tease us with 25,000 and then ghost it.
Seriously. Closed at 24,752.45, down just 0.30%. Not a crash, but enough to ruin a coffee break.
2 red candles in a row. That 25,000 level is turning into the Bermuda Triangle of resistance.
Exactly. Every time we get close, the profit-booking ninjas show up like clockwork.
Meanwhile, global markets weren't throwing any parties either.
Right? US, Europe, everyone's just kind of meh.
Except Korea. Kospi jumped 1.25%. Did they have a Red Bull rally?
Must have. And Japan gave us a tiny nod with 0.3% up, while China lagged.
Gift Nifty also not helping, trading below the spot. So tomorrow's open, not exactly hopeful.
Yeah, somewhere between 24,700 and 24,740 is the smart guess.
Let's talk technicals. That 25,000 ceiling, it's like a glass ceiling for Nifty. We can see it, but can't break it.
And India VIX dropped to 18.02. Volatility's gone on a staycation.
Which is ironic because expiry day is when drama usually spikes.
And yet the nifty 25,000 CE, sitting pretty at RS 3780. Break-evens at RS 77.
So basically, it's on a fast train to worthlessness.
Exit strategy? Sell it at open. Holding it is like framing a losing lottery ticket.
Let's move to sectors. Some dragged, others danced.
FMCG took a beating. ITC fell over 3%. Even cigarettes couldn't spark interest.
Auto also stumbled thanks to M&M dropping 1.4%. Metals and pharma didn't shine either.
But PSU banks, rock stars, Canara Bank up over 2%.
Media too, quietly winning with 1.04% gains.
And Realty, the weekly underdog turned hero with 2.5% gains. Gotta love sector rotation.
It's like investors went shopping and changed outfits right at the midweek.
That put-call ratio at 0.66, though, tells us the sentiment's leaning bearish.
Yeah, and with the highest call OI at 26,000, bulls need a miracle.
Meanwhile, 24,000 put OI is like a bear fortress.
So tomorrow's tug of war will likely be in the 24,500 to 25,000 zone.
With no fireworks expected, just a cautious drift, unless news crashes the party.
Strategy-wise, if 24,700 breaks, we may dip to 24,500.
But if bulls show up even a little, we could see a modest close near 24,800.
Now for the juicy part, stock picks. Aurobindo Pharma with a R1700 target. That's bold.
Canara Bank's riding the PSU wave. LIC and HDFC Life also showing strength.
And for value hunters, some under R's 100 names like Reliance Power and ABFRL look tempting.
So, to wrap it up, keep your expectations low, your exits ready, and maybe your caffeine levels high.
And remember, trading is part science, part art, and a whole lot of patience.
Until next time, trade smart, laugh often, and may your candles be green.